Another day, another adventure. After a stunning 4-hour drive, we have made it to Pancake Bay Provincial Park. This is where we'll be spending the next 3 nights, and it's raining, but it's so beautiful. I just want to go out and explore. I don't care about the rain. Who cares about the rain anyways? It's just water.
Surprise!
Come on!
Boo!
We were filling up our tank because the place that we're staying at right now, they don't have water like on site, so you have to fill up ahead of time. And our truck isn't starting, so we're like stuck. Oh. Maybe I spoke too soon. Well, I didn't speak too soon. It actually wasn't starting, but someone helped us, gave us a boost, and it finally looks like it's finally running. Oh my God. So I guess we're not going to be stuck by the water fill up. It started.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate it. Have a good day. You too. Thank you.
We've been dealing with a lot lately, and just like we're recently saying today, like we just need a break, and then this happened, and then
Have a good day.
I guess the universe is like, just kidding, here's your break.
I've spent a lot of time this year around forests and surrounded by trees. I read a book called The Secret Life of Trees, and I listened to it on audiobooks, and it was fascinating to learn about how the forest communicates. There's a lot of chatter amongst the forest. Most of the communication with trees happens in their roots. It's pretty fascinating, so I have a deeper love and understanding of the forest. This is Pancake Bay. So you can see right around here, it wraps around like a big letter C all the way to the other side. It's a really beautiful time of year spring and summer are beautiful for different reasons. Winter is beautiful for different reasons, but autumn is just full of color. It's like art. It's like nature is creating art and you get to watch it happen. What's happening over here?
We're making a sun.
A sun?
Yeah. It's a sand sun.
I like it.
Kai, we need more needles.
What are you doing? You burying your hand? Where's your hand? Oh, there it is. Rain or shine, the adventure must go on. And today's raining. So we are driving about an hour. 1, 2, 3, go! So fast, raindrops can't touch me. Woo! We made it.
Thanks.
We got snacks? Snacks. We got water? We got rain jackets?
We do. You don't.
I don't. I have an umbrella.
Got Moana.
Got Moana.
Let's go. People don't even know how beautiful Ontario is. I didn't even know. This drive is stunning. All the colors are super rich and it's just like hills of oranges and reds and browns and greens and yellows, and then we're surrounded by lakes on both sides and just a beautiful bedrock. Canada is really, really pretty, guys. If you haven't been here, if you haven't road tripped, you gotta road trip across Canada. You got to. And it's not just all about the West Coast. It's the East Coast, it's Ontario, it's, well, all of it. But people tend to skip out on other parts of Ontario. They just like go Toronto, Ottawa, and don't go on the outskirts, you know, to the wilds parts of Ontario. And it is so special and very unique, especially in autumn.
Well, we made it to Lake Superior Provincial Park and it rained pretty much the whole way and it's still raining a bit now. We're supposed to go on a 5-kilometer hike and I don't know how long we're gonna make it on this hike because it's just super wet.
Yeah, Kai? What don't you like?
Someone's already tired. Kristen went out for a hike with Atlas. I'm here, monitoring Kai while she sleeps. We are in Pinguisibi Sand Trail. Pinguisibi is Ojibwe for the river of white sand. All native words are so beautiful. They have such like nice meanings. I wonder what my native name would have been. Blackbeard. No, that's like a pirate. Almond skin. Tree hugger. Peace pipe hug. Raccoon high fiver. Early riser. Take too long. Go washroom. Trout lip. Hummingbird legs. What? Hummingbird legs? I've never even seen a hummingbird stand. We can do that? Some mulberries. Who's gonna come out? Such a sneaky spy. Such a sneaky spy. Sanitize your hands. What are you doing there, Mr. Red Hat? Oh, throwing something out.
People think that when it rains, the day is over, the day is wasted because they can't go outside because they'll get wet. But it's just water. You like showers, don't you? At least I hope so. But it's so nice, and there's something so peaceful about hiking in the rain or hiking right after it rained. Everything is so lush and bright, and the air smells heavenly. Really. This is forest bathing at its finest. And if you don't know what forest bathing is, look it up because it's an incredible medicine. Oh my God, it's so pretty. You just saw me do a anxiety release technique that I kind of came up with, where I breathe in all the relaxation, the goodness, and I exhale all the anxiety and worries that I have into nature, and it absorbs it and turns it into positive energy. It's really effective.
Waterfalls and rapids aerate the river by mixing oxygen from the air into the water. Trout, an oxygen-demanding fish, thrive in the well-aerated pools below the rapids. The Ojibwa fished in similar pools using a basket-type dip net on a long pole. Today, anglers are attracted to the same pools where the Ojibwa precariously dipped for trout.